Hi guys. Hi. Hi. How many times can I say hi? Hi. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So the time is currently now 9:15 and I am starting my day in my life at night because you know what? We do things differently here. That was the cringiest thing I've ever done. But no, the reason I'm starting my day in my life video now is because my room is an absolute mess. On a real note, you know when you randomly get like the motivation to clean at like the most obscure times? So that's pretty much what's happening now. I just can't deal with my messy room anymore and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna clean my room now so I can start my day in my life with a clean room, because a clean room is a clean room. So let's just get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by giving you a quick overview of how messy my room is, and yes, feel free to judge me because it's a mess and I shouldn't let it get this messy. And as you can see, my shoes are a complete mess. I have boxes in my room. My railing's a mess. Just my life. We're gonna just get my life together because a clean room is let's just get cleaning. So this is the amount of glasses I literally just have lying on my table. So as you can kind of tell from my cupboard, I don't even have space to stuff these boxes in, but if you have a will, there is a way. I feel like this is going to be a safety hazard. So note to self, don't open this cupboard. Don't you love when your dog just decides to lie on your pile of clean washing? Lele? Why? But you're so cute, so I'll let you stay. So I've just made myself a coffee so I can actually wake up. So on some mornings I'll let myself watch one YouTube video and then I'll like start working. I know this is a bad habit and I shouldn't do this, but are you ready for the cringiest clothing transition you're ever gonna see? So this is my outfit of the day. I have this shirt that I thrifted, my Vans shoes, and just some necklaces that I got at a shop called Jam. So okay, so the first thing I have to do today is go to the thrift store because we have a whole bunch of boxes of stuff that we're donating and I have to go drive there and drop it off. And while we are there, there's like this really pretty walk, so we're gonna take the dogs with and go on a walk. So
but hold your balance. I just say whatever cause there is no way you're around it. Everyone falls down sometime, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hey, feeling good like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never up and nothing works, you feel surrounded. Gotta give your feet some gravity to get you grounded.
Okay, so I'm now back from walking the dogs and dropping all the stuff off, and I quickly wanted to show you the 3 things that I brought when I was at the hospice shop. The first thing I got was just this black camera bag for my camera, so it now has a home to live in. I also got this little basket thing for my plant, and I'm probably gonna go and have a swim in the pool now because I am dying of heat from just like moving around and walking the dogs. So that is what I'm gonna do right now. This is my pool outfit, and the top and bottom are both from Cotton On, so let's go have a swim. As soon as I want to go and swim, it all of a sudden goes like all gloomy outside, and now the pool doesn't look so appealing.
Never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best. Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sunshine on my Sunday best.
Just for some fun information, this is my toothbrush, and I broke my toothbrush, so now I have a broken toothbrush, so yay. Okay, so I'm probably gonna end this day in my life video here because it is nearly midnight, and last night I only fell asleep at 3 AM and I really don't want to do the same again tonight. So I hope you enjoyed my day and a half because I kind of started last night. But if you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to, because but yeah, I'll see you in my next video. And also I had a few snacks, I just didn't film it.